Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing some tips for audience targeting in PPC. PPC advertising or paid campaign marketing is one of the most effective ways to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your website. However, if you are not targeting the right audience, your ad campaign won't be as successful as it could be. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Know your target audience. The first tip for effective audience targeting is to know your target audience. Before you start creating your PPC campaign, you need to research and understand who your audience is. You can use tools like Google Analytics, customer surveys, and social media insights to gain insights into your audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. Once you have this information, you can tailor your PPC campaigns to reach the right people. Tip 2. Use targeting options. The second tip for audience targeting in PPC is to use targeting options. Most PPC platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads offer a range of targeting options such as age, gender, location, interests, and more. By using these options, you can ensure that your ads are seen by the right people. For example, if you are a local business, you can target people in your area to drive foot traffic to your store. Tip 3. Use remarketing. The third tip for audience targeting in PPC is to use remarketing. Remarketing allows you to target people who have previously interacted with your website or ads. This is a powerful way to reach people who are already familiar with your brand and are more likely to convert. For example, if someone visits your website and adds a product to their cart but doesn't complete the purchase, you can use remarketing to show them ads for that product and encourage them to come back and make the purchase. Tip 4. Test and refine. The fourth and final tip for audience targeting in PPC is to test and refine. PPC advertising is not a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. You need to constantly test and refine your campaigns to ensure they are reaching the right people and driving conversions. Use A/B testing to test different ad copy, landing pages, and targeting options to see what works best. Then, refine your campaigns based on your results. So, there you have it, some tips for audience targeting in PPC. By knowing your target audience, using targeting options, using remarketing, and testing and refining your campaigns, you can ensure that your PPC advertising is reaching the right people and driving results. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.